Do you know how composers write an unfortunate love theme for film or ballet music? The rule for this is very simple. The top note of the harmony should be considered as the melodic tone. The melody starts with a G note. If you want to harmonize this note, you will look at the chord sequence. The next one is A. I'm leaving this note. However, if you wish, you can harmonize each melody note separately. For example, the A note can be harmonized by the combination of A major plus F sharp major. The next note is the B flat. Since the A sharp is an enharmonic of the B flat, let's drag this one and drop it below the melody. Let's change this chord as an example. For example, I created this short musical idea by playing melody and harmony together.